Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking home improvement and we got a little project we are doing today. We're actually going to remove a cabinet and add decorations. I think you'll like this. Let's take a look. Alright YouTubers, here's the end product, and we have an open kitchen design, which is really cool. It gives us the opportunity to put bar stools at a countertop here. We have a very cool teal seahorse bottle opener, which is neat. And so what we did was remove a cabinet that was right here. The problem with that cabinet is it came off the wall out to about here and interfered with that seat. So what we had to do was shift that far seat up, and it kind of crunched the remaining two seats closer to this edge here. And again, the cabinet was brown. It just didn't fit with the color gray and the white chairs. However, back then, the panel here was brown. So the brown panel did match the brown cabinet. However, it doesn't match anymore. So a couple screws, 4 total, we removed. Carefully removed the actual cabinet from the wall, and I went out and bought some spackle and spackled the 4 holes and sanded it down, matched the paint, painted the actual wall, went out to a craft store and got some pretty cool decorations, as you can see here. And we've got a couple of our fan favorites here. As you can see, a couple bottles of wine, Yingling Lager shot glass from Florida with a little cool alligator wrapping around the side, bottle of Hennessy, and this is a really cool vodka from Detroit, Michigan, and a popular Scotch, Dewar's. So compared to what it was, we really like it. Again, it opened up that far end of the countertop and gave us an opportunity to shift the seats more evenly and give you a lot more room. And the person sitting here now can see everything going on in the kitchen, and whoever is in the kitchen can actually communicate and see the person sitting in that chair. And before, you really couldn't do that because of that cabinet. So I hope the video gives you an idea of what you can do with old cabinets from a wall that are no longer fitting the room, as well as neat decorations you can go buy. And we've also done another project. Scrolling above, you'll see a link. We actually took these fan blades, removed each fan blade, put them in soap and water, scrubbed them clean, and they were brown. They were more of a dark tan, but they were brown looking. However, we, again, removed them, cleaned them, and painted each of these fan blades. So in that video, we will show you the beginning and end result on that. That's it, YouTubers. Hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome.